Today is Monday, April 14, 2014. Sunrise this morning was at 6:10 a.m. The sun will set at 7:34 p.m. Length of daylight hours today will be 13 hours, 23 minutes of visible light, 14 hours, 22 minutes. The waxing gibbous moon with 99% illumination is 14 days old, will rise at 7:09 p.m. and will set at 5:42 a.m. Tuesday morning. At noon, the moon will pass above Rutland City at 242,904 miles distant from the center of planet Earth. The moon today will appear within the seventh astrological sign in the zodiac, Libra, the scales. On April 14, 1865, President Abraham Lincoln was shot and mortally wounded by John Wilkes Booth while watching a performance of Our American Cousin at Ford's Theater in Washington. In 1912, the British liner RMS Titanic collided with an iceberg in the North Atlantic at 11:40 p.m. ship's time and began sinking. The ship went under 2 hours and 40 minutes later, with a loss of 1,514 lives.
Any family living is existing if there are some more being living when very many have come to be dead ones. Family living can be existing if not everyone in the family living has come to be a dead one. Family living can be existing if there have come to be some existing who have not come to be dead ones. Family living can be existing, and there can be some who are not completely remembering any such thing.
Under mostly clear skies in downtown Rutland, today's high temperature is expected to reach 78 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale, much warmer than yesterday, with winds south-southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour. Clouds will gather by this evening. It'll be mostly cloudy after midnight with an overnight low of 56 degrees and south winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Rain is in the forecast for tomorrow, 100% precipitation, high 63, low 21. Possibility of snowfall tomorrow night, 1 to 3 inches.
High tides today, Monday, April 14, 2014, at Cabo San Lucas, Baja California, Mexico, are expected at 8:59 a.m., rising to 1.13 meters, and 8:55 p.m., a height of 1.34 meters. Low tides today at Cabo San Lucas will be at 8:55 p.m. and 3:22 a.m. Tuesday at 0.08 meters and minus 0.15 meters, respectively. Thank you, and have a nice day.
4 years after the biggest oil spill in U.S. history, several species of wildlife in the Gulf of Mexico are still struggling to recover, according to a report published on the National Geographic website. In particular, bottlenose dolphins and sea turtles are dying in record numbers, and the evidence is stronger than ever that their demise is connected to the spill, says Doug Inkley, senior scientist for the National Wildlife Federation, which issued the report. The Deepwater Horizon oil rig exploded on April 20, 2010, killing 11 people and spewing more than 200 million gallons of oil into the Gulf of Mexico. Since then, various government agencies and nonprofits, including the National Wildlife Federation, have been studying the region's wildlife to track the effects of the oil. The report, a compilation of published science since the spill, reveals that the Gulf oil spill is far from over, Inkley said. The oil is not gone. There's oil at the bottom of the Gulf, oil is washing up on the beaches, and oil is still on the marshes, he said. However, BP, which operated the now-defunct oil well, claims the report is a piece of political advocacy, not science. For example, the report misrepresents the U.S. government's investigation into dolphin deaths, as the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's own website states. That inquiry is ongoing, BP said in a statement provided to National Geographic. This has been today's Weather Minute. I'm Richard Alcott.